And the floodwaters that covered this street in Lindenhurst and many other streets along the south shore of Long Island have now receded. But believe it or not, it's actually begun to snow here. Kind of a fitting end to what's truly been a wacky weather day. Long Island road crews were ready to clear streets of snow, but this nor'easter looks pretty rough out there. Had other ideas. Floodwater from Great South Bay poured into some Lindenhurst streets during high tide. That's always a concern. Ryan Weigel watched it rise as he worked from home today. His street had been overrun by 3 feet of water during Sandy.
We've been lucky considering the flooding we've had here before, so this is minimal.
Minimal maybe, but enough to deposit a porta potty from a home under construction right in the middle of East Shore Road. Just throwing it out.
Last time was on his side. So if you need to use the facility, they're right there.
Humor and a sense of relief weren't unique today. Once the storm turned from snow to sleet to rain here on Long Island.
Thank God it wasn't as bad as it was.
High winds did, however, knock out power to a few thousand homes and contributed to a roof and wall collapse at this 7-Eleven in Shirley.
This would be about the second or third worst storm since Sandy.